Hello, everyone. Welcome to 360 on History. Please check out the website 360onhistory.com, our YouTube channel 360 on History, and of course, join us on all the social media. Today, we have an absolutely mind blowing story about an unprecedented feat of brain mapping accomplished by researchers at Harvard and Google. It is a tale of big data, artificial intelligence, and peering deeper into the brain's wiring than ever before. The story begins about a decade ago when the lab of Dr. Jeff Lichtman, a Harvard professor of molecular and cellular biology, received a tiny sample of human brain tissue, just 1 cubic millimeter in size. But packed into that rice grain sized piece of temporal cortex from an epilepsy patient was an astronomical amount of data. 57,000 cells, 230 millimeters of blood vessels, and get this, 150 million synapses, amounting to a staggering 1,400 terabytes of information. I mean, I can't even begin to fathom how much that is. I'll have to go and look for some kind of comparison. Now, for years, Lichtman's team painstakingly imaged the sample using specialized electron microscopy techniques. And they then collaborated with AI experts at Google Research to analyze this wealth of data using cutting edge algorithms. And just recently, they achieved the unthinkable, a comprehensive 3D reconstruction they have dubbed HO1, rendering in vivid detail every cell and neural connection within that minuscule brain fragment. What HO1 revealed was astonishing. For one, non neural glial cells like astrocytes and oligodendrocytes outnumbered neurons by a ratio of 2 to 1, highlighting these long overlooked supporting actors critically important to brain function. The most common cell type was the oligodendrocyte, whose role is to coat neural axons with insulating myelin. And while most neurons formed a multitude of weaker synaptic connections, the team discovered rare, supercharged pathways where axons formed up to an incredible 50 synapses with another cell. Even stranger, a few axons took on bizarre, swirling patterns of unknown significance. Since the sample came from an epilepsy patient, it is unclear if these odd shapes are linked to the condition or just rare quirks of wiring. But the implications of HO1 are monumental. This tour de force collaboration between Harvard and Google has pioneered new frontiers in connectomics, comprehensively mapping the brain's neural circuits, just as genomics catalogs our genes. This feat was published in Science and is the latest in a nearly 10-year collaboration with scientists at Google Research, who combined Lichtman's electron microscopy imaging with AI algorithms to color code and reconstruct the extremely complex wiring of mammal brains. Dr. Lichtman explains the significance, saying, there is this level of understanding about brains that presently doesn't exist. We know about the outward manifestation of behavior. We know about some of the molecules that are perturbed. But in between the wiring diagrams, until now, there was no way to see them. Now there is a way. Unquote. The team's ultimate goal, funded by the National Institutes of Health Brain Initiative, is to scale up and map an entire mouse brain, a mind boggling 1,000 times more data than the 1 cubic millimeter HO1 sample. Next, they will tackle the mouse hippocampus, that crucial region for memory and neurological disease. With tools like these, Lichtman envisions mapping animal models of autism, Alzheimer's, and more, at last shedding light on the brain's wiring, underlying cognitive function, and dysfunction. The HO1 data, published in the journal Science, has been made freely available on a dedicated website, allowing scientists worldwide to pore over and annotate this first ultra high resolution glimpse into the brain's breathtaking complex architecture. Google researcher collaborator Viren Jain emphasizes the importance of open science. Given the enormous investment put into this project, it was important to present the results in a way that anybody else can now go and benefit from them. Unquote. The amazing images of the brain are available on 360onhistory.com. Please go and check them out. They are part of our blog post there, and I assure you that you will be amazed at how brilliant they are. Thank you for joining me on 360 on History, and I'll see you again next time.